Hello, my name is Owen Frape. I am the Director of Finance at Väderstad Industries. I've been with the company just over 6 years now. I started out as the controller. I'm now the Director of Finance, so I had the opportunity to advance my career. The best thing I like about working here is that we're doing really big things with really big ideas around here while maintaining the small town attitude.
Hi, my name is Connell Armstrong and I go to the U of A. I have been working at Väderstad for a little over a year now. I'm a R&D design intern, and the reason I chose this job is for the design aspects, and that has led into my favorite aspect of this job, which is the design. I've had the opportunity to bring projects all the way up from concept into the manufacturing phase.
Hello, my name is Philip Korzak. I am a Regional Sales Manager with Väderstad Industries. I'm based out of Regina, Saskatchewan. I've been with the company for 5 springs or 4.5 years. In my time with the company, I spent 3 of those years as a territory manager, and now I have been the Regional Sales Manager for the past 2. Prior to coming to Väderstad, I have 12 years of experience in the ag-related industry, some with sales, some with corporations. But ultimately, what I enjoy the most about working with Väderstad is that Väderstad is a large company. We're a global company. We have a global footprint. But when it comes to the day-to-day, the people-to-people, that's where it still feels like a small company. And the interactions that you have with those people really make this a special company to work for.